All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. Hyperliquid trader James Wynn goes all in on $1.25 billion biddy long. That's right, don't take my word for it. Let me show you the proof of work. Let's start right here. Shout out Vivek, by the way. 1.2 billion. The 40x Bitcoin whale James Wynn just said Bitcoin is going to 121,000 next week. So he firmly believes next leg up. And next week ultimately is this upcoming week, as it's stacking Saturday on the weekend. Here's James Wynn infamous tweet. 110,500 today for Biddy. 118 to 121 next week. My prediction, not financial advice. We call this Operation Fuck the Bears. Take that, Peter Schiffmeister. But yeah, let's read this a little deeper. And this is actually balls of steel. You got to respect it. Well-known Hyperliquid trader James Wynn had increased his 40x leverage long Bitcoin bet to $1.25 billion after closing his PEPE position for a $25.2 million profit. So Look On Chain reported that Wynn entered at an 11,588 Bitcoin position, again, balls of steel, with an average entry price of 108 and a liquidation level of 105. That's the caveat when trading with leverage. The higher that leverage goes, the less and less volatility will get you liquidated. And ultimately, that's $3,000 or $4,000 from today's price action, and he's risking 11,588 Bitcoin. Extreme balls of steel, I might add. The move came hours after Wynn exited his Ether and Sui longs, smart man, at 5.3 million loss. He took the loss there. At the time, he used proceedings to double down on Bitcoin, increasing his position to 11,070 BTC. Wynn began his Bitcoin long position with 830 million. That was the initial position on May 21st. Which was 3 days ago. Then he continued up in it, trimming 400 million in profits the same day. Then by May 22nd, the following day, he ramped up the position back to 1.1 billion. Another divine omen, my special number 11 there. Hodl in high leverage as Bitcoin crossed 110,000, hitting the all-time high. He gained 39 million on paper and later sold 540 Bitcoin for 60 million. So he already secured a 1.5 million profit. And here's some of the proof of work right here. Entry price, 40x long, and just disclaimer, if you're going to trade with leverage, do so responsibly, as the majority of leverage traders are degens and will absolutely get wrecked. This guy obviously is not a novice. He's a billionaire for a reason. So don't just blindly follow what these guys are doing, okay? I just want to give you some insights there. Wynn took a hit following the sharp market downturn triggered by the former President Trump's announcement. Obviously, that 50% tariff on the European Union imports did not help that particular position. The news delivered just yesterday sent Bitcoin tumbling, oh my God, all the way down to 107. And he raised gains across both traditional and crypto markets. Ether also dropped to as low as 2,500, while the meme coins were hit harder. Data from Hyperscan shows Wynn suffered more than 29 million in losses over the past day. However, he's still up more than 57 million in all-time trading, and you can't win them all. Note that as a trader, by the way. And 46 million over the past month alone. So more into the high-stakes crypto trader. Wynn is a high-stakes trader who describes himself as high-risk leverage trader in a meme coin maxi. He also claims to have called PEPE a buy when the market cap was only 600,000. So obviously got rich there as well. The crypto whale started using Hyperliquid 2 months ago, which is the platform, depositing 4.6 million worth of stablecoin USDC onto the platform. Hyperliquid's decentralized platform is a flagship product on the Hyperliquid Layer 1 blockchain, which also offers spot trading and borrowing and lending services, amongst other things. Notably, Wynn's aggressive leverage amplifies his exposure to volatility. With Bitcoin trading near 109, any sharp move downward could threaten the position. And again, as mentioned here, he's ultimately calling for this week coming up, 118 to 121. It'll be a fantastic win for him. Ironic enough for the man, Mr. Wynn. And there you have it. Do you think he'll likely win that or get liquidated? It's probably going to be one or the other. He either hits the target or gets liquidated. Either way, you guys, let me know your thoughts. And would you ever, let's hypothetically say you were a billionaire, would you ever risk 11,000 Bitcoin on a 40x long? I'm curious. Let me know, and I'll read your comments out loud. Welcome everyone to the Q&A segment of the live stream.